computer is a dumb machine. It needs to be instructed on how to perform a particular task, and we use a programming language such as Java, C, C++, Python, and many more to instruct the computer. Java is a programming language that helps us in writing commands. These commands are also called code. The code is used to make a computer do a particular task. Java is a mediator between you and your computer. So if you know Java, you will be able to teach your computer to execute tasks. There are endless applications of programming. Java is used on various platforms, such as Android apps, web applications, desktop applications, etc., which have operating systems and software that support Java. Have you wondered how commands written in English are understood by the computer? This can be explained in 4 simple steps. First, we write a list of commands in the English-based Java program. Then, the program is converted into an intermediate version called bytecode. The bytecode is not readable by humans anymore. The bytecode is then read by a special software called the Java interpreter, which translates it to a machine-friendly language. Finally, the computer reads the translated code and performs the tasks.